Creating materials using Chrome extension for presenting directly in Notion. Description. Here, we will introduce how to give a presentation using Notion Presentation. This video was created using Notion Presentation. Installing Notion Presentation. Notion Presentation is offered as a Google Chrome extension. You can download this app from the Chrome Web Store and use all its features for free. Notion Presentation features. You can display it like a slide by dividing it into blocks such as headers. It also supports full screen display, and you can switch slides with your mouse or keyboard. How to launch Notion Presentation. If the extension is installed, an icon will appear in the toolbar. Open the demo page and click the icon to launch it and try it out immediately. All blocks are available. You can use all blocks in Notion without conversion on your slides. In addition to images, callouts, dividers, and to-do lists, you can also use quotes and toggle lists. Creating a comparison chart with a table. By using a table, you can easily create a comparison chart. Illustrating with code blocks. Using code blocks makes it easy to create flowcharts. This makes it easier to understand the slides. Using multiple column layouts. You can divide layouts to display images or lists side by side. Database is also available. You can use databases and various views. By using the gallery view or timeline view, it is possible to make visual presentations. Embedding external content. You can embed Google Maps or Twitter on YouTube. Download from Chrome Web Store. Notion Presentation is provided as a Google Chrome extension. If you are watching the video, please install the extension from the link in the description box. Please install the extension, and we would appreciate your review and rating.